Alright guys, a quick one. Here, I'll detail how to delete iPhone wallpaper in settings. So if at the end of this you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. Mark you, there is no feature for now that allows you to delete existing wallpaper on your iPhone settings. You can just search through to see all your existing wallpapers, but you won't be able to delete the wallpaper. Now, to delete your wallpaper, just go ahead, press and hold your iPhone home screen. So just type in your passcode and then locate the wallpaper you want to delete. Once you can find the wallpaper, swipe up on the wallpaper, click on delete from the trash icon, and then you should see part that says delete this wallpaper. Go ahead and click on delete, and once you tap delete this wallpaper, this is going to delete the wallpaper on your iPhone like this. And then click on the wallpaper you want to set as your wallpaper, and then you are good. So that's exactly how to delete iPhone wallpaper in settings. If you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.